Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar and Salad Bar, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I love to be in the kitchen with you giving you some lovely recipe. I'm gonna make you guys a lovely tuna and pasta with sweet corn salad. That's what I have left over, and I decided to make a lovely salad to bring to work with me tonight. Or you know what I mean, if you work in the morning, you can make it in the morning before you go to work. It's a very fantastic and unique recipe. You guys definitely really love this one. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. Go over to my Facebook page and like it. Leave a like, leave a 5-star, leave a 4-star, 1-star. Rate my Facebook page. Tell me what do you think about the Facebook page, guys. Fantastic. Thank you, guys. I love every one of you. And stay right there with a cup of coffee. Watch this beautiful video today. Enjoy it. Nice one. So basically I have some pasta and tuna and sweet corn. I'm going to make a lovely salad with it. Alright. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some salad cream in it. Nice one. That's the salad cream. And now I'm going to simply put roughly about a tablespoon of mayonnaise in it. Yeah, lovely. I just put about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. That is fantastic and nice. Now, I'm gonna bring in a little bit of flavor to it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some dried chili, a little bit of pepper, and also we're gonna add some red onion. You can put mixture of mixed peppers and all these things in it, but just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna drop a little bit of olive oil. Lovely. That's gonna be fantastic and nice. Little bit of paprika. And then we'll just put a lovely little mix like this. Alright. The beauty behind this now is this. I have some iceberg lettuce, which I want to put inside of it. Alright, so we're going to cut that really thin. Roughly about quarter of iceberg lettuce. So we're gonna use the iceberg lettuce to balance off it, because that is a lovely salad. Nice one. As you can see, I cut it really thin, so we're just gonna take it through it, just like this. That is beautiful and nice. So if you're at home, this is something which you can do. That is lovely and really nice. Now let's shear it out. So yeah, shear it out lovely like this. That is fantastic and an amazing, guys, honestly. Nice, as you can see it, 100% lovely. And nice is tuna, sweet corn, and I put some iceberg lettuce and red onion. It's amazing. Tasteable, guys. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and leave a comment in the description box. We have a lot more recipe like this coming for you. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.